you a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show him who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
Griswold gang, what is up? Mr. Clark Griswold here. What's going on, everybody? So last night I had a video, put some plays out there for you guys. CL, IBM, Visa, Upstart, PG, and CVX. Earlier in the morning on Twitter, I want to show you guys something. I called out Procter & Gamble has a possibility of an outside day. The week will flip if we pass the bottom pink line. Okay, so that was 3 hours ago that I put that out. We go back onto TradingView, and we look. Sure enough, outside bar. Okay, so how did I know that? I saw on here that we had, if you go back onto here, we had full time frame continuity outside of that week. That week was green. But I knew if we flipped, that the probabilities of us hitting an outside bar were very, very good. So if I go on to this week and I look at this green line that I put in here at 159.30 is where, this is now a weekly chart, this is where we would have flipped to green, or to red, sorry. And that's where we would have gained our full time frame continuity, okay? That's how I knew we would go red and go to the outside bar. If I go back to the day, you're saying, well, how do I know how to get in? Look, I've got these indicators set up here. I'm going to show you how to get those. We click on our indicators and strategies up top here. And our star SSS 50% rule indicator by Wolf and Bear. That's what I use there. Okay? And until you get used to seeing that we are crossing that 50% threshold, you can use this. Okay? The other one that you can use, where are we here? Time frame continuity by Board Rider B. Okay? So what that is, that'll show you this. Okay? Show you your daily, your weekly, your monthly, your quarterly, and your yearly, and which way it is trending on each one of those. Okay, so this 50% day is calculated by, when we opened here. We went up to this high point of whatever we were, 161 something, and we started coming back down. So when we're halfway on this inside bar, that's what this indicator is showing. It's halfway within this inside bar. And once we cross that 50% threshold, we have a very good chance that this goes outside bar. We have an even better chance that this goes outside bar when this time frame continuity is all pointing in the same direction. Okay, so you might be asking, how do I know when to get in? Well, you can use this 50% marker on the daily, or we can go back to a smaller time frame, okay? So we go back on the 15-minute chart, and here, look. We go back onto the 15-minute. We had a 2 up that was red. Look, we would have jumped in here on the reversal. 2 up, 2 down. Boom, 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 boom. You're done for the day. Okay, you're in that play there, you're done for the day. Or you could have waited till you hit this line here. You crossed, boom, boom. Here is where you flip to red, boom. Okay, done for the day. Now if we go to the 30-minute chart, what do we have on the 30-minute chart? Look, outside bar at 7:30. Okay, 7:30 a.m. my time. It's 2 hours later on the East Coast. Okay, so you're at 9:30 on the East Coast. So look, outside bar at, what do we have, at 2-3? 2-3 with a 2 down, okay? So you jump in here and you're gone. All the way down on the 30-minute bar. Boom. 1 hour bar, would you have had enough time? it still would have worked for you. You have an outside bar and then a 2 down. So you could have got in here and still made some really, really good money, but you already would have been into your outside bar on the daily. Okay, so that's how we know. We hit that 50%. Our time frame continuity is all to the same side. Okay, it's an easy play for you guys to jump in. Low risk. You're in and you're out. You're done for the day. The other one, I didn't call it out on Twitter, but it was one that I was watching because it was on my list, was CL, Colgate. Outside bar again, okay? So how did we know? I know for the most part that I can see that we're crossing the 50% threshold. But here, this blue line is telling us right here that we're at the 50% threshold, okay? And we're at that marker that could push us to the outside bar. And we had this green line. We hit this, and our whole time frame continuity goes red. Earlier in the day, this week would have been green. As soon as we pass this green line, we go to the week. Green, weekly inside bar. There is where we started to go red, green to red, okay? So we go back to the day, past that green, past the outside day 50% marker, and we have a pretty good shot that we know we're going outside bar on the day. Okay, so how do we get in? You can use your daily chart as I was showing you and get in as soon as you pass the 50% threshold. Or you can look for an indicator, a marker. What do we have? Outside bar at 7:30. And there. Right there. There's our trigger, and we're down. We don't quite cross, but we cross here. So again, you could have used this as your trigger point. You're going 50% here, and you're down, 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 down. Okay? Good money here to be made. If we go to the 30-minute, do we have an indicator on the 30-minute that works for us? So again, you have a 2 up. There's your breaking point right there. Boom, 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 boom. Good money to be made. You go on to the 1 hour. Could we have made money here? We sure could have. Here's our 1 hour bar to open in the morning. 1 hour chart. First 1 hour bar of the morning. Outside bar. Look, there's our trigger. We break it. We're gone. There's our money. Okay, so you guys had triggers all the way through on every time frame. Daily, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. You could have used all of them. Anyways, guys, that's a quick breakdown on the 50% rule. If you have questions, you can comment below. Find me on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold. You can DM me there. You can comment there. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the little bell so you get notifications when I send out videos like this, or when I send out videos for the daily setups that included CL and CBX and a bunch of others that we played and made money today. Okay, guys, see you next time. Bye-bye.